Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. Today we got something a little bit different. I've got 3 different tools, all needing some service. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well as you can see, I got 3 separate tools here. I got a pair of vacuum 308s. I got Crowder Dimple Diamond nippers. These things are awesome. I love these. And I got a wrench here that says one-hander, 8-inch. It says something back here too, but I can't read it. I think what we should do is throw these on the wire wheel, get them cleaned up as good as we can, get the bulk of the rust off them, and then throw them in some Evaporust and see how clean we can get these. So I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, well these things cleaned up pretty good. I mean, again, it's the outside, and this one's still completely seized up. It won't move anywhere. The vacuum plier was not in bad shape to begin with. I mean, it had some surface rust on there, and it was a little chuggy, but nothing too bad, you know. The Crowders were locked up, but most of it was surface. It's still sticky, but these will clean up just awesome, I think. Hopefully. Look how beautiful that dimple diamond pattern is on there. God, I love that. All right, so I say we throw these into some Evaporust. So let me get this container over here. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is the Evaporust. I wanted to give these tools the best fighting chance possible to get clean, you know. I know those vacuums are pretty rare. And of course my Crowders, I love these, so let's get these soaking in there. And we'll pick this back up tomorrow after my date with the flea market. Let's make sure we get them fully covered. Look at that. That's the good stuff there. That's the good stuff. Pow! Evaporust, baby. And of course the worst of them all was this little plier here. Oh, well, it's crunchy, but it's working. At least it's doing that. All right, let's give it a little rub down with some 4/0 steel wool. I don't want to use nothing really aggressive on this. All right, so here is the 308 vacuums. They came out really good too. I can't wait to get these on the wire wheel to really clean them up. So let's get reset for that, and we'll see what they look like after the wire wheel. Alright guys, well you probably can't hear me too well. All of my neighbors are out blowing their leaves at the same time. It's that time of year. But the Evaporust did a fantastic job. I couldn't have asked for a better job. What I want to do is work on them a little bit more while these guys are blowing their leaves, and I'll do that off camera so you don't have to hear that in the background, and then we'll come back to the finished product. Alright guys, well, what do you think? These things are completely cleaned up. This one was the worst of all of them, and as you can see, came out pretty fantastic, if I don't mind saying so myself. That Evaporust really did the trick for this. These crowders, I couldn't be happier with these crowders. I am just over the moon. Over the moon with them. The giant nippers came out just spectacular. Look at that dimple diamond pattern in the handle. Just perfect. Then of course the vacuum pliers. Hopefully that'll show up so you guys can read it. They came out fantastic as well. They're still pitted and all, but you know, I didn't take them down to brand new condition. These are real old, guys. I kind of wanted to keep all of the pitting and all the good stuff on there, you know. So I just wanted to get these cleaned up and admire them. So, but yeah. Alrighty guys, well we're all done with this one. These things came out just spectacular. I am over the moon. That Evaporust really did the trick to get these as clean as they came out. So a little bit of maintenance beforehand. Threw it on the wire wheel, got the bulk of the rust off, soaked it in the Evaporust, pulled it out, cleaned them up, wire wheeled them again. I threw this one on the little 1x30, cleaned up the side here. That's about it on there. But the rest of this, I mean, just came out perfect. These crowders, the giant nippers, these things came out spectacular. I am just over the moon with that. So I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye.